Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you use QR code on iPhone. So guys, to use QR code on iPhone there are two ways. The first way is to just open your camera, and after opening your camera just place it on a QR code like this, and here you can see the link is here. Just click on the link, and after clicking on the link it will lead you to the website. And the second way is you need to just click on here the search and just search for code scanner, and here you can see the top hit is code scanner. Just click on it and just scan the QR code, and it will automatically lead you to the website or anything else. So guys, that's how you can use QR code on iPhone. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.